Hello friends, I am Naveen Kumar. Welcome to my channel Offer Amazon. Today I discuss you about best water purifiers in India 2021. Water from natural sources like rivers and lakes get contaminated with the human, plant, animal and industrial waste. Our municipalities add chlorine or fluorine to the groundwater to get rid of viruses and bacteria. Despite these efforts, our tap water contains harmful chemicals. Therefore, installing the best water purifier should be a priority for every home in India. On a simple note, if the TDS levels in your water source are above 300 ppm or you get water from multiple sources, you have to opt for an RO water purifier. Most of the RO water purifiers come with the combination of UV, OF filters to ensure that the water is 100% free from contaminants. You might get confused by various marketing terms like RO, UV, OF, TDS, mineralizer. We highly recommend you to read the water purifier buying guide at the end of the videos to get in-depth knowledge about all the water purification technologies. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, and if you buy from this link, the channel will help you. Best water purifier in India. Number 5 on my list. Auschmith Z9 Green RO 10L RO Plus SCMT Water Purifier. Auschmith is a reputed international brand of water purifiers available in the Indian market at affordable prices. Capacity of 10 liters RO purification with mineralizer facility can be used for TDS up to 2000 ppm hot water at the press of a button. Advanced water recovery technology, 1-year warranty. One of the significant advantages of Auschmith Z9 water purifier is the patented advanced recovery technology. This technology allows the appliance to save 2 times more water than the standard RO water purifier. It also ensures minimum wastage of essential minerals during the RO purification process. The 8-stage water purifying process includes RO plus SCMT technology along with Mintech. SCMT ensures secondary microbial purification to ensure there is no recontamination of pure water by harmful microbes. Mintech adds back the essential minerals that get lost during the RO purification process. The additional advantage of this water purifying system is that you have a choice between obtaining pure water at 450 C and 800 C. At a press of a button. This hot water is ideal for cooking, whereby you do not have to heat the water again. With Auschmith Z9 Green Water Purifier, you do not have to search for the controls, as this purifier has a night assist feature to locate the appliance. The digital display provides useful information such as water temperature, full tank indication, and filter alerts. The water level indicator is a handy tool to help you judge the level of pure water. I and the 10L food grade water storage can. Another innovative feature is the presence of a drip tray that ensures you do not mess around the place with water spillages. The aesthetic looks of the Auschmith Z9 Green Water Purifier make it one of the best purifiers for water with TDS levels up to 2000 ppm. Pros: hot and cold water options, aesthetic appearance, less wastage of water, low power consumption. Cons: water refill process starts only when the water level reaches 50% capacity. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 4 on my wrist. Kent Grand Plus 9L RO Plus UV Plus UF Plus TDS Zero Water Wastage. Kent Grand Plus ZWW is another excellent water purifier model that uses patented ROTM technology to make water 100% safe for drinking. It features a multi-stage purification process to make water potable. Multiple purifications including RO, UV, OF and TDS Zero Water Wastage. TDS controller, UV LED protection in the storage tank. The capacity of 9 liters wall-mounted design. The multiple purification technologies use RO to eliminate TDS and other heavy impurities like lead, arsenic and antimony from source water. UV technology ensures the elimination of bacteria and viruses. TDS controller improves the water taste by replenishing essential chemicals. Generally, RO purification results in water wastage. This product uses zero water wastage technology to recirculate the rejected water to the overhead tanks for alternative uses like watering plants, utensils, and flushing toilets. This water purifier features a 9-liter storage tank to cater to the conveniences of an Indian family of 4 persons. The 20 L per hour water purification rate is excellent. The storage tank features a separate UV LED lamp to ensure that the purified water does not get contaminated by bacteria. Therefore, you get 100% pure water all the time. This water purifier is an ideal appliance in places having high TDS levels. People living in coastal areas and depending on Borewale water supply would cherish this water purifier the most. Some of the additional features are the presence of UV and activated carbon filters to remove organic impurities and improve the taste of water. The wall-mounted design occupies less space and adds to the kitchen ambience by blending beautifully with other kitchen appliances. Pros: optimum use of rejected water. Excellent water purification maintains water purity even during storage. Cons: recurring maintenance costs. Product available only in white color. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 3 on my list, Eureka Forbes Aqua Show Amaze 7L RO plus UV plus MTDS water purifier. Eureka Forbes has a reputation for being a market leader in consumer appliances. It has won the trust of more than 15 million families in India. Advanced RO plus UV plus MTDS purification suitable for use for TDS levels 200 to 2000. The storage capacity of 7 liters. Food grade plastic LED indicators. Eureka Forbes has manufactured this water purifier product primarily to cater to the urban clientele. The 7L water storage tank is ideal for the nuclear Indian family. The water purifier features a multi-stage purification process including RO, UV, and MTDS to ensure delivery of 100% pure water. The UV water purification ensures the elimination of disease-causing bacteria, thereby making water healthy for drinking. The MTDS feature ensures the replenishment of essential minerals like calcium and magnesium that get eliminated during the raw water purification stage. It adjusts the water taste according to the quality of source water. This water purifier features a durable cartridge capable of lasting for up to 6,000 liters. The Smart Indicator feature alerts you when the cartridge is due for replacement. The smart LED indicators for tank full and power on status are welcome additional features. This water purifier is an eco-friendly product as it features an energy-saving mode. It switches off automatically when the water tank becomes full. The sleek and compact design fits with your kitchen decor beautifully. The best feature of this product is its flexible installation. You can mount the appliance on the wall or place it on the kitchen counter comfortably. Pros: excellent after-sales service available, multi-stage purification, durable cartridge. Cons: 7L tank capacity is inadequate for large families. The water tap is not inbuilt but a separate attachment. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 2 on my list, HUL Pureit Copper plus Mineral RO plus UV plus UV 7-stage water purifier. Copper has water purification qualities. It explains why our forefathers used copper vessels for storing water. HUL Pureit uses the same principle in designing this water purifier. Capacity of 8 liters RO plus UV plus MF with mineralizer facility. Charges raw water with 99.8% pure copper. Can be used for TDS up to 2000 ppm. ABS plastic food safe tank, 1-year warranty. This appliance infuses the health benefits of copper in 100% raw purified water. The water purification consists of a 7-stage process that includes the use of pre-sediment filter to remove large impurities, pre-RO activated carbon filter for eliminating bad odor and organic contaminants, wire mesh filter to trap the significant soluble pollutants, RO membrane to carry out 100% water purification, of membrane to remove the traces of any TDS that manage to seep through, UV reactor to get rid of bacteria, viruses and other microorganisms, post-RO activated carbon filter to enhance the taste of water. This water purifier comes with a dual water dispensing option. You get pure raw water as well as copper charged raw water, thereby enabling you to enjoy the medicinal benefits of copper. The system ensures infusing the right amount of copper in every glass of water. The water purifier is an intelligent one as it smartly senses and schedules auto cleaning, thereby ensuring the supply of fresh copper at all times. The appliance comes equipped with an 8L water storage tank that should prove adequate for an average Indian family. HUL Pureit water purifier comes with additional features like double purity lock that ensures the machine does not dispense a single drop of unsafe water. The advanced alert system alerts you 15 days before the expiry of the germ kill kit. The auto shut off feature shuts off water purification and supply after the expire of the germ kill kit. Pros: advantage of copper purification, the 7-stage water purification process, automatic shut-off feature. Cons: wastes water during the raw purification process. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Number 1 on my list, Kent Supreme Plus 2020 RO plus UV plus UV plus TDS 0 water wastage. Kent water purifiers are the perennial favorites for Indian homemakers. Kent has a water purifier model suited for almost all requirements. The Kent Supreme Plus 2020 is a comprehensive product blessed with excellent features. Zero water wastage TDS control system RO plus UF plus UV plus 8-liter storage fully automatic wall mounted design. Besides providing pure and mineral rich water, this Kent Supreme Plus 2020 water purifier does not waste any water. The zero water wastage technology involves recirculating the rejected water to the overhead tank using its pump. This water purifier uses a multi-purification process including RO, UV, UF, and to ensure the supply of absolutely pure water to the household. It is the ideal appliance to treat brackish tap and municipal corporation water. The inbuilt TDS controller ensures the replenishment of essential minerals lost during the RO purification process. By removing bacteria, viruses, and TDS, this water filter improves the taste of water considerably. The in-tank UV disinfection feature maintains the water purity in the storage tank for extended periods. The purification capacity of 20 L per hour and the storage tank capacity of 8 liters are excellent features that ensure proper supply of pure water even in the absence of electricity. The Kent Supreme Plus 2020 is a modern water purifier in all respects, as it features computer-controlled and automatic operations. The features include filter change alarm and UV fail alarm. Pros: excellent purification process ideal for houses located in coastal areas and the industrial belt suitable for a family of 4 cons. Filter replacement costs are additional expenses. White color entails regular cleaning. If you want to buy the Amazon link given in description, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you. Have a nice day.